Hi, I'm Justin, and today we will be working on this sign. Hi, future Justin here. I was just introducing the sign that I made for my friends for their wedding gift. They got married a couple of weeks ago. I thought it would be really fun to make them a cute little creative sign with the last name on it. This project was done with 3D printing and woodworking, which was really cool. I want to integrate the two a lot more. And this is the first one I kind of released on this channel. I've done quite a bit of 3D printing, but I haven't really showed that off yet. So I designed the lettering that I used in this in Fusion 360, and then I sent it over to the 3D printing software. I'll show you a little bit how I did that, and I printed it out. I think it turned out great. I painted it, I printed it with a wood filament, so I was able to sand, paint, and everything, and it turned out pretty good. So I hope you enjoy. Starting off, I used an image that I designed using a free online software called PicMonkey. To use it in the 3D modeling software, you do have to convert it to an SVG file. So I use this online service to convert it to an SVG, and then I can import it into Fusion 360. I was planning to show you how to use Fusion 360 to make a 2D model into a 3D model that you can print out, but Fusion 360 wasn't cooperating today. I will be putting out another video talking a little bit more about Fusion 360 and using it with 3D printing, but there's tons of resources online. Just search it on YouTube. Once you have your 3D model, you can then download it into Cura. I did want to make the sign a little bit bigger than my print bed was capable, so I printed it in separate pieces. So I printed the big last name in 2 parts and then all the little pieces together. It ended up turning out really cool. This is Cura if you haven't seen it before. This is the 3D printing software that you can load in all your information and set all the settings to the 3D printer. From here you send the information over to the printer and you get a final product. So I was in a hurry for this project to get done. I forgot to record the printing of the letters. This is another project that I was working on. It is a little mountain piece. Took about 6 hours, but this is just kind of an example of what the letters look like when they're printing out on the printer.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
3D printer and printed it out. I think it turned out I think it turned out pretty cool.